Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to Nizzy's Playhouse. So today I wanted to talk to you guys. I've been seeing this thing floating around on Facebook. It's like where this girl used Zote, I don't know how you say it. But she used this soap to clean her beauty blenders, and so I'll post a picture right here or whatever. But she used these to clean her beauty blender, so I wanted to know if it worked. So let's bust this myth, girl. As you can see, I did use this one after I cleaned it, but this is like, you can see it clearly worked. Like, it's a must. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the demonstration on how it works, because as you'll see, I tried 2 different ways, and one of the methods I did fail at. Epic fail. But yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys which method works the best so that you can get your makeup brushes extremely white, like fresh out the package, new, like, yes. So yeah, if you want to know how I did it, then go ahead and stay tuned. And if you're not doing so already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more videos, for more hacks, beauty tips, whatever. I'm your girl.
Alright, so I'm going to show you what not to do. I don't even know why I thought this would work, but, I'll just show you guys what I went through first. In the picture and on Facebook, she just, like, soaked everything. That did not work, like, at all. I even tried to go in with this little scrubby mat thing and just, like, go to town on it. Still did not work. I'm going to show you the correct method now. So now you want to go ahead and put the, just put it in there, like just straight up, prop it up like that, girl. And have the water running on it, and then just scrub your brushes on the soap like a washing board. Because as you can see, look at all that makeup coming off. This is the best routine that, see, look at that. The brush is white, like. And I tried it again with some various brushes so that you can see that this is the way to go. Actually, scrub the brush on the soap. That's the way to do it, sis. I also tried it. If you can't see, I'm doing it on the beauty blender. And it is just like, that soap, that makeup is just like dripping down the drain. So, yes, I do recommend doing it this way. I do recommend the Zote soap. The Zote soap was only like $2 at my gas station. And it gets your makeup brushes super clean, girl. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys tried it or are going to try it. And as always, thanks for watching.